Hey, you know what's great for consumers and what consumers love so much is price increases on their subscriptions. Well, let's take a look at what PlayStation's doing to their PlayStation Plus. This is via Push Square. PlayStation Plus Essential, Extra, Premium. Price increases announced by Sony as much as $40 plus more dollars. So, what are these new prices? PlayStation Plus Essential is now $79. 99 cents. That's $80, guys. PlayStation Plus Extra, $134.99. And PlayStation Plus Premium for that money saver of $159.99 a year. We're going to go take a look at what you kind of get out of these packages here in a minute. But let's see what the comments have to say. And I'm sure everyone is going to be rational about it. Well, no, nobody wants to spend more money. Come on. This person, yikes, maybe time to get another year real quick. Yeah. Oh, here's a good one. This has to be a joke, right? No, it's not. So let's go through what these tiers kind of offer, right? And Push Square explained this pretty well. You have your PlayStation Plus, which is going to be $79.99. And what do you get? Monthly PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4 downloadable games, exclusive discounts, cloud storage, online multiplayer access. That's what you get for $80. You get to play online and some games. Now, PlayStation Plus Extra, you get those first two things, and then you get downloadable catalogs of nearly 400 PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 4 games, right? And that cost, again, is $134. Now, the PlayStation Plus Premium, we'll go a little bit more in depth on this one. $159.99. What do you get? Highest tier includes the most features, as you'd expect. On top of everything included is the PlayStation Plus Essential and Extra tiers. You also have the ability to stream PlayStation 3 games to your console. These titles are only available for streaming. Download options won't be present. Also, this catalog will extend to PlayStation 1, PlayStation 2, and PSP titles, which will be downloadable. In total, the list of PS1, 2, 3, and PSP games is set to reach 340. So an extensive catalog. It's not bad, but holy, $159.99. And you're paying tax on that bad boy. You'd be paying like $170 a year. Some of the PS1 and PSP titles will actually be updated with save state and rewind functionality. Well, that's nice, at least. Via a new interface, furthermore, select PS1 and PSP games will even feature improved resolutions and frame rates. Did you know, ladies and gentlemen, you can play PS1 and PSP games for free? Now, I'm not going to explain to you how to do that. With higher resolution, mind you. That being said, finally, time-limited game trials of newer titles will be available through PS Plus Premium. You'll be able to play for up to 2 hours and earn trophies during that time. Ooh, thank you. Should you choose to buy the game off the back of the game trial, your save data will carry over. Okay, that's nice. But what's stopping a developer from just giving you an hour's length game to play for free? You know, Pikmin, for example, gosh, I must have played that demo for almost 3 hours, no joke, until I finally was able to have the save state. And then you know what I said? I'm going to buy Pikmin 3. And you know how much the demo cost me to play? Nothing. This is good. This is going to be interesting, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know. You're going to have to. I have a PS4. I'll eventually get a PS5. I'm in no rush to get a PS5. I'm a PC guy, anyways. I love my Nintendo Switch, so I get the I get the best of a lot of different worlds. That's what I mean. Like, why would I ever want to pay this to play PS1, 2, and 3 games when technically I already have like all the PlayStation games that I want to play already physically? So if I want to play them in a higher resolution or something like that, there's options on the on the PC to do that. I don't have to pay $159 to do it. I'll be honest, man, this is ridiculous. I feel so bad for you guys. And hey, you know what? If you have the money to do this and you love the convenience about this, spend the money. You do. It's your money. You work hard for it. You do whatever you want to experience the game catalogs, etc., etc. More power to you. Honestly, I personally feel like it's for a game service. This is where they want to go. Are they trying to push the future? What do you guys think? Are they trying to push the future, pave the way to the future of game streaming? Are you going to pay for this service? Are you just probably going to get the cheaper one? Have you been happy with how PlayStation has been handling their service options since you bought the system? Please let me know. I'm curious. I know I come off a little harsh here, but boy, there's a lot of other things I can do for $170 than pay for a game service. Let me know how you feel down in the comments. I really am curious. Smash that like button. Hit that sub. I appreciate you guys very much. That's some news. Talk to you soon.